Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently just did my own makeup for my friend's wedding and I absolutely love the look. So in this video today, I'm going to share with you guys exactly step by step how I got this look using the new Nudes palette by Huda Beauty. And it's actually very easy, so stay tuned. So first things first, I start with these eye makeup stickers, just placing them underneath my eye. This catches any fallout from the palette. And I'm using the Huda Beauty New Nudes palette, my absolute favorite one. I'm going in with lace first, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease, just outlining my eyelid there, just back and forth, both eyes. With that same blending brush, I'm going in with Tease and just doing the exact same thing, just blending the two colors together. With a smaller blending brush, I'm going in with Love Bite and Spanked and blending this into my crease just for some definition. Now I'm going in with the concealer here, and don't laugh at my palette. I know it's super dirty, but hey, I use this thing all of the time. And I'm just gonna apply this directly onto my eyelid. This is just prepping it for getting ready for some glitter colors. Taking this beautiful glitter color here called Fantasy and gonna place that all over my eyelid. Taking this gorgeous nude glitter color here called Crave and just placing it on the center of my eyelid to give myself a kind of halo eye look. Taking that same blending brush from the beginning and just sweeping over any harsh edges and blending it all in together nicely. For our under eyes, we're going to take the color Lace and just blend them underneath our eyes. And then we're going to take Spanked and Love Bite and do the same thing and just blend them all together nicely. Taking the beautiful Crave glitter color and popping that into my inner corner of my eye, my tear duct. And voila, you guys, the eyeshadow is done. So if you want to see how I finish up my look, then keep watching. Taking a big fluffy brush and brushing off any excess sparkles that may have fallen before I apply my primer. And I will be linking all of these products that I'm using down below. So excuse me if I don't remember all of the names, but they will be linked below. This is my favorite foundation brush by BK Beauty. It comes in a big brush and a small brush. I just ordered the smaller brush for like concealer, but for now I just use this one for applying my foundations, and I'm really loving these two foundations. I got them both from Sephora. One is like a bronzing foundation. It is so good, and the other is the Best Skin Ever by Sephora in my own shade. So again, I'll be linking all these down below. An amazing concealer you should try is this Backstage by Dior. It is so full coverage. Like, I have really dark under eye circles, and this makes me look so airbrushed, so flawless. So I highly recommend this concealer, and I just pat it all in with my big BK Beauty brush. Again, I'm waiting for my smaller brush to come in the mail. That'll be for my concealer. But for now, this works, and I love this brush. Going in with the best makeup blurring setting powder, Makeup by Mario. Holy moly, this makes you look so airbrushed. It does not allow any of your makeup to move. So I just absolutely love this stuff. Can't recommend it anymore. For highlighting underneath my eyebrows and my inner corner of my eye, I use this Glow Wish in the shade Zero. I think it's called Porcelain, actually. And it just really opens up my eyes and is such a beautiful highlight. If you have really tired eyes, I highly recommend using Lumify. I know that celebrities use it before they jump on the red carpet. It just makes their eyes look so white and glossy and beautiful for photos. So I highly recommend this. I also love this bronzer by Charlotte Tilbury. It comes in like a clam, like a seashell clam case. So cute. And this is my new favorite bronzer, you guys. Like, honestly, I've tried them all, but this one is my absolute favorite. It just gives your skin such a sun-kissed bronzed look. Using it again with a smaller brush to narrow out my nose, making my nose look nice and small. You will be obsessed with this blush by Milani. This is like drugstore brand. It is the best blush ever. And I also love using this dual-ended Makeup by Mario brush for bronzer on one side and blush on the other side. Love this. All right, and we're finishing up the look with using some gel eyeliner. This is by Maybelline. This is the best gel eyeliner ever. It's so black and stays on, doesn't smudge. And I'm using this brush by MAC. I will link it below, but this is by far the best eyeliner brush you will ever need. I have tried them all. I have hooded eyes, so it's really hard to get that perfect wing. But with this brush, it is absolutely magical. You can manipulate it, maneuver it however you like. You can mess around with it, drag it. It will give you a perfect wing every single time. Finishing up with some mascara. This is the MAC Stack Mascara in Blackest Black, and it is so beautiful even with just one coat. And to finish off the look, I highly recommend 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100, Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. The lip liner and the matching lip gloss. This duo is like, wow, you cannot go wrong with it. It is so beautiful. My absolute favorite go-to lip combination ever. And we are all done here. I absolutely love this look. And yes, I've been wearing a shirt this entire time. I'm not naked, I promise. So I hope that you really enjoyed this look. It is quite easy once you get the hang of it. I absolutely love this as a go-to look. It is so flirtatious. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk with adjectives tonight. I'm so sorry, but love this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.